Hi guys! This is Pinay Pai sa American Vlog again. I'm here again para magsamok-samok and disturbing and irritating your way. So, as I promised you guys and I told you, I'm gonna review all the accessories that I bought since 2020 or 2019 kasi I want to make sure that my reviews are honest and then is ano talaga siya, at totoo talaga siya na it will work out to everybody's skin or real talaga siya or they are very durable. And if not, guys, I will not review or I will review but I will tell honesty, guys. Okay, guys? So now before that, guys, I want to shout out our supporters, our members, and then our co-promoters. Okay, guys? So, we are not, hindi tayo mapapagod sa pag-shout out sa kanila because they are the one who help us our revenues, support sa atin, and then nanonood ng mga video natin, nagta-thumbs up, nagla-likes, nag-dislikes, ganyan guys. So, thank you sa lahat guys. Okay? And then to all my supporters, every time I do live streaming, and then to all the people that behind my success, to all my family, and then my sisters, my nieces, my nephews, my cousins, and my relatives. Okay, guys? So, first, guys, we gonna go and mention and shout out our co-promoters. Kila is Life 29, Ivy Lalonda, Canada, Notch E-Gaming, a co-promoters and a member, an Infinity Channel, Toy Story 25, Windy Cooling Pusma, Rowena Quiet, member and co-promoters. And then we gonna go to One Linked TV members and co-promoters. And then we gonna go to our members, guys. Is not in particular level, but we gonna mention everybody as much as we can right now kasi I have the list in here guys so that I cannot forget you everybody, okay? Maria Lisa Tuco, Anya Bulanon, Tagabayo sa US, Kafi Tambayan Vlogs, Tita Malut, Ticha Garden, Jewel Tuco, Green Genius, Nancy Acosta, V My Lady, Miho Miho, Al Alejandro, Ray Canta, Gilbert Sabin Vlogs, Maribel Pagaran, Bulbul Kulot, Kabalsa Music, Jurush Vlog, Angel Plays, GMC Channel, Asukarap TV, Chinoy's Lab, Minerva Ruka, Savannah Marsan, Mercedes TV, Sheila Nicole Vlog, and then Mars Malo, Knights of Hans UK, Ramon Tabo-Tabo, Kusina ni Ate Jean, Ashmon Lumukbang, Mami Titay, Susan Tokyo TV, Litz Vlog, Simple Philam Kids, Hashtag Pinoy Ako TV, Sally Miboyno Vlog, Supermom Adventure, Maribel Baclao and Maritis Baclao, Rose Wagner USA, Yesien TV and his Ninja, in Dongs TV, Han Box, Mami Chait, Tuang, Villages Dreamin', and Ria's Mix TV. And special shout out to our Intoy YT channel, Dixie Plays, Proud Pobre, Miss Rice, Villalina Ason, Bisayang Chinito, Rodel Hanaban, Patuti Babies, Kabakit, Dina A, Simply Girl Vlog, and then John Collins, and Dina Magpantay Vlogs. Okay guys, and then some of the people that supports on my channel is si Super CC, Yara Olico, and the rest of the people that always come to my channel and then in my live stream always watch my videos. Thank you very much. And now it's time to do we're gonna do this as unboxing, but actually I already used this, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna show you a box. There are two boxes here from Michael Kors. Is one of our brand in here that is a really good one. It's a Michael Kors, guys, and this is a necklace that is a rose gold, okay, with a faded necklace with that, guys. And then there is the stuff in there that this is the card, the stamp in there. And then I bought this one last year. I bought this one last year, guys. And this, I like this, guys. It's rose gold. And then it's not itchy, guys. It's not sensitive to my skin. But I seldom use it anyways, because I normally use silver or 925. And it is adjustable with a name, tag name with a name on it. There is a name on it, guys. Michael Kors 19 something. There is a name, Michael Kors EST 1981. And you can adjust this, adjustable. You can adjust whichever you like, this one and that one. And you can actually go and see that they are original. Hindi siya fake kasi mayroon siyang pangalan na Michael Kors here, and there is a tag. And then, guys, the diamond, guys, inside, guys, is still inside, is still intact. In fact, guys, I've been using this like quite often last year, and then I bought this last year as well. So guys, this is very good, and my honest review, guys, money is worth it to buy, and then it's very in your skin tone, guys. Like my skin tone is very good. If you're a little bit dark complexion, rose gold is very good for you, as long as you are not having an allergy. Look, guys, is so beautiful, and it's very sexy for a like the skin tone we have. Okay, so this is the necklace adjustable Michael Kors, guys. Okay, with the name tag on it, name tag on it. So next, guys, is gonna be the earrings. The earrings, guys, is a key. Is a key earrings. I wanted to go and have a like this a key also, but they don't have that on that time. I also purchased this last year, and there's the paper. I already throw it away. So there is also a name. They are original also, because you can sell. There is a name Michael Kors here, and then there's a Michael Kors there, and it is also a rose gold. Look at, guys, is sexy. Is also very sexy. This is also a rose gold, okay? A rose gold, a locked earrings. Is a rose gold padlock earrings. I wanted to get the key necklace, but since it was already sold out, so they don't have. So look, guys, if you have a skin tone with like my skin tone, the color of my skin, so rose gold is very good for you. Look, guys, it's very good, and it's very sexy. Like you can go and wear this with any color of your clothes, and then you can wear this every day if you want. But then it depends upon, sometimes you have allergy on it, but so far in my reviews or in my experience, these are very good. As long as I'm not using it every day, my skin is fine. Like I use it every other day, in which that's how I'm gonna do. I always changing depends upon my mood in a day. So guys, that's all guys. That is for my review, honest review for an adjustable Michael Kors plated necklace, and then the rose gold padlock earrings, Michael Kors as well. So rose gold adjustable plated Michael Kors, and then rose gold that padlock Michael Kors. Okay guys, so that's all for today guys. This is for my unboxing our review and our honest review for our purchase from Michael Kors, for Michael Kors necklace, adjustable rose gold necklace with a padlock earrings. Okay, so once again guys, this is Pinay Pai sa American vlog. So don't forget, likes, share, and subscribe my channel. And I thank you for all the people who support on me, and I see you to my next vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye.